Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll look at how the bond angle around an atom changes during a chemical reaction. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. Ammonia reacts with aluminium chloride as shown by the equation NH3 plus AlCl₃ goes to H3N AlCl₃. Name the type of bond formed between nitrogen and aluminium in H3N AlCl₃ and explain how this bond is formed. There is a link in the description to a previous video where I explain more thoroughly how to work out the shapes of the NH3 and AlCl₃ molecules. For this video, I'll just jump straight to the dot and cross diagrams for these molecules. We can see that there is a lone pair of electrons present on the nitrogen atom of ammonia. There are also only 6 electrons in the outer shell of aluminium in AlCl₃. The dot and cross diagram on the right represents the molecule that is formed, H3N AlCl₃. We can see that both of the shared pair of electrons in the covalent bond come from the same atom, nitrogen in this case. These are highlighted. The name for this special type of bond is a dative covalent bond. This can also be referred to as a coordinate bond. Here's the next part of the question. Explain how the value of the Cl-Al-Cl bond angle in AlCl₃ changes, if at all, on the formation of the compound H3N AlCl₃. The 3D representations of the shapes of the molecules in question are shown here. Wedges show bonds coming out of the plane of the page, and dashed lines represent bonds going into the plane of the page. An arrow is used to represent the dative covalent bond. There are 3 bond pairs and 0 lone pairs of electrons around the aluminium atom in AlCl₃. This gives a bond angle of 120 degrees. There are 4 bond pairs and 0 lone pairs of electrons around the aluminium atom in H3N AlCl₃. This gives a bond angle of 109.5 degrees. To address the question, the bond angle decreases from 120 degrees to 109.5 degrees. Be specific if you can and state the bond angles rather than just saying that the bond angle is reduced. The question asks for an explanation, so you must state that there are now 4 bond pairs of electrons around the aluminium atom and 0 lone pairs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please post in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care and good luck with your studies.